Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the 3 police officers convicted of the 2012 shooting death of 16-year-old Vanessa Kirkland were freed today following a ruling by the Court of Appeal.
As Raquel Porter reports, a panel of 3 judges ruled that the trial judge made 2 fatal errors in their 2019 conviction and sentencing.
Andrean Smith, Dervin Hales and Anna K. Bailey had been waiting 11 years for their freedom. They were convicted of manslaughter in 2019 for the shooting death of 16-year-old Immaculate Conception High School student Vanessa Kirkland. The teen was among occupants in a motor vehicle on Norman Lane, which had been on the police's radar following a robbery. According to reports, a shootout ensued between a man from the vehicle and the police officers when the teen was shot. On Monday, President of the Court of Appeal, Justice Patrick Brooks, quashed the 14 years and 6 months sentence for manslaughter that has been hanging over their heads. In handing down the orders, he said a number of grounds argued by defense counsel Peter Champagne Casey, Richard Lynch, Kemar Robinson and Oswest Senior Smith raised several issues. Among them, he highlighted that the cops were already acquitted of murder and that there is no evidence to support the direction the trial judge gave the jury, which found them guilty of manslaughter. Explaining that the conviction cannot stand, the judge said there is no option of a retrial as the applicants have already been acquitted of murder. He further ruled that there is no evidence to support the offense of manslaughter. Peter Champagne Casey spoke with reporters following the judgment.
There were issues that arose in the trial that should not have arisen, specifically as it related to the leaving of manslaughter to the jury. And as a consequence of all of that, along with some other issues of a technical nature, the Court of Appeal ordered that the convictions in respect of manslaughter be set aside. A verdict of acquittal entered, and this is the end of the process.
The police came under heavy criticism about its use of force following the fatal shooting. The incident also sparked widespread protests.
It was unfortunate that it happened, but in the circumstances where the police, our clients, were actually doing their duty.
It is unclear whether the officers will be back on the job, but for now,
they are relieved. It has been a journey. It has been an incredible journey and not a good one. The apprehension, the uncertainty. And I think at the end of the process, as I said before, as we have said before, they are vindicated in their position.
Raquel Porter, TVJ News.